Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to disconnect your Instagram from Facebook. Let's start the video. At first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right to go to your profile. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right, then select Settings and Privacy, and tap on Account Center. Tap on Accounts. Under Account Center, you will see a list of accounts that are linked. Tap on Remove next to the Facebook account you want to unlink. Confirm the removal by following the prompts. Your Instagram account will now be unlinked from Facebook. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. So see you in the next video. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.